There's a snake, and Gypsy's going after it. No. Wait there, buddy. Wow, it's a big corn snake. You see it, Gypsy? Watch out, little buddy. No, don't bite it. Just smell it. What about you? Hey, Sally. Look, Sally. Here, look, Melissa.
Don't you bite me now. I know you're not poisonous, but you can bite.
Yes, it can. It's a pretty animal. Whoa.
Oh, he's trying to bite you.
Yeah. Put it back down. There you go. No. Gypsy, get back. Get back, Gypsy. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. There you go.